Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about mainly some of the important project that is coming under one particular niche, and that niche is Oracle niche. So we are going to see some of the projects that is coming under Oracle niche, and Oracle is very much important in terms of all the crypto projects, and there are lots of projects in the Oracle niche. So we have chosen some of the important projects that can perform very well in the coming bull run and in the 2021. So that is the main thing we are going to see in this video. And before going to these projects, we are going to have a look on altcoin season index and also Bitcoin dominance chart. So how whether we are approaching an altcoin season. Already some of the alts are pumping heavily, so we are going to discuss that one also, and the market analysis. Then we are going to have a look on altcoin season index and Bitcoin dominance, and then we are going to have a look on all those Oracle projects. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If we see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we have Bitcoin minus 2.8% down, but we know it made an all-time high of 28,000. So it's a great pump in the last 2 days, and you can see from past 7 days, it is 14.1% up. So Ethereum is 14.9% up, and now Ethereum is pumping. So Ethereum is leading the show, and it is 14.9% up. XRP 6.6% up. Litecoin 4.6% up, Bitcoin Cash 13% up, Polkadot 14.4% up. So Polkadot is also pumping. Binance Coin 8.3% up, Cardano 9.9% up, Chainlink 17% up. So most of the altcoins are pumping, and you can see. So most of the altcoins are in green in the top 10. Let's see the past 24 hours top gainers. We have Ren 23% up, Ocean Protocol 20% up, Torchain 19.5% up, Sushi 18.8% up, Terra 18.3% up, Chiliz 18% up, Near 17.6% up, Chainlink 17% up. You can see lots of gainers, guys. Lots of gainers. Lots of the altcoins are coming back, and looks like we are approaching the alt season soon. So that's a major thing. And if you see the top top losers in terms of past 24 hours, Swissberg minus 8.7% down, and Digibyte minus 8.3, not much losers, guys. This is small sideways movement, not much losers. So that's a major thing about market analysis. If we see the altcoin season index, it haven't changed much, but you can see after the drop, it found the bottom, and it looks like it is now the altcoin particular graph is moving sideways, which indicates still the trend is up, and it can change. It can go upwards in upcoming days. That's a major thing. So nothing much have changed in terms of altcoin season index. And we have to look into this Bitcoin dominance chart. So we have been discussing about, and I have made a post in this about this in the Twitter. So this is the major trend line we have been following, and it dropped up to this particular area. So if it breaks below this trend line, altcoin season alts will pump heavily, guys. That's amazing. Some of the alts are pumping heavily because of this drop from 72 to 69.5, but the trend is still up. You can see the Bitcoin dominance trend is still going up, and if it is breaking downwards, then we can expect these kind of moves in terms of altcoin dominance, and most of the alts will perform very well, and that is the altcoin season. So let's see how it goes, whether it is breaking this particular trend line or not, or whether it is jumping from here and it is going to Bitcoin dominance will touch this, where Bitcoin price will touch $30,000. So either most of the either thing can happen. So whether we are going to touch 73 or whether we are going to drop below this particular trend line. So we have to have a look on these things daily. So in the upcoming videos, we can have a look on this, whether it is going to drop downwards or whether it is going to touch 73. If it is touching 73, means we can expect Bitcoin will be touching over the price. In terms of price, it can touch $30,000. So that's a major thing. Now we have seen the Bitcoin dominance. Now we are going to see about the projects, Oracle projects, important Oracle projects for 2021. The first Oracle project we are going to see is Chainlink. So Chainlink, we can say it is a head of Oracle projects, and that's a major thing. But it's a larger cap altcoin and larger cap Oracle project. The rank is at 10, and you can see the price is at $12.4, and it made an all-time high. of $19.83 during the previous altcoin season. It's a tremendous gain, and you can see from here, maybe from May 2019 or from March of 2020, the price was around $2.13. From it went to $20, which is it already made a 10x. Still, it has lots of room to grow because it has lots of partnership. And one more thing is supply is a little bit higher. It has 1 billion total maximum supply, but for now the total supply is you can see 398 million. Still, it has tremendous tremendous demand because of the large number of partnerships. So let's have a look on this one. So Chainlink, we know that Oracle projects, the main aim of the Oracle project is to connect blockchain to real world data, so which is bringing real world data into the blockchains. That's a major thing, and that's a major purpose of oracles, or most of all of these oracles are working towards that purpose, bringing outside world data, that is real world data, into blockchains like price feeds and other stuffs. So that's a major thing, and Chainlink is one of them, and it is the top, and it is the head of, and we can say it is an industry standard Oracle network. So it is a head, and it is used by lots of the projects. You can see Aave, Synthetics, Earn Financial, Shares, Google, Ampleforth, Arbol, Nexus Mutual, and lots of other things, lots of other projects also using Chainlink. And because of this much demand, because of this much partnerships, instead of still the supply is high. You can see circulating supply is around 400 million. Still the price is high. You can see the supply is also high, that is 400 million, but the price is also high because there is much demand for particular Oracle solution. And you can see this is the Chainlink ecosystem, and you can see the projects. So these are the projects that are using Chainlink. You can see over here lots of projects are there. You can see Rio DeFi, Keep 3R, more number of Bounce Finance, EasyFi, Curve. We have Moonbeam Network, Alliance Blocks, so lots of partners, Parsec, Hard Protocol. You can see over here. So these are the projects that are using Chainlink. You can see over here Plasm. So huge number of projects are using Chainlink. So Chainlink is a very much important project that is unavoidable by all these blockchains, and also for the price, also for 2021 we can expect more number of blockchains and more number of projects will be using this particular project, that is Chainlink. And you can see over here it's keep on going. So Polkadot is also using Chainlink, Swift, lots of partnerships, and it will keep on increasing. I am expecting it will keep on increasing because this is the main Oracle standard. And the main thing is, okay, we can have we will be having question like, okay, we have Chainlink, why other Oracle projects are very much important? We have Chainlink that has been used by this much projects. So if we have Chainlink, why other projects are also important? Actually, in terms of oracles, single project or single blockchain will use more than one oracle providers, because in order to verify, in order to validate the data, so they will be using 2 to 3 oracle solutions. So single project will be using 2 to 3 oracle solution in order to validate the data. That is, okay, if Chainlink is giving some data, it has to be right, it has to be it has to be accurate. So in order to validate the data, they will be using other oracle solutions also. They will compare the data that will be provided by different oracles. This is how they will be validating this particular data. So that's why apart from Chainlink, other oracles also have a major role in providing data for most of the projects. So this is at first, Chainlink is at first, and more number of partnerships. I am expecting this will, at least it will do more than 10x. That's a major thing. So it will do more than 10x, and if Ethereum is doing more than 10x, it can easily do 20 to 30x. That is a major thing, and it's a very much important project that cannot be avoided. So that's a major thing. Second project we are going to see is Band Protocol. Band Protocol is also an important project. It is, we can compare Chainlink and Band as a Pepsi and Coca-Cola. So Chainlink will be Coca-Cola and Band will be Pepsi. So both are almost same. But it will also capture some of the market cap of Chainlink, because first of all I have said that most of the projects will be using the more different oracles, and more than one oracles. That's a major thing. So Band will also an important project, and that is building on Cosmos. That's a major thing. So Band is built on Cosmos, and it also surged from, you can see, from $0.2. maybe at April of 2021, start of 2020, the price of band protocol is $0.2. It made an all-time high of $17. From 0.2 to $2 is 10x. It's almost did 100x, guys. It's almost did 100x band protocol. It's a great trend. Then it dropped back to again $4. Now it is having a sideways movement, and this also can perform extremely well during this particular bull run. And you can see the rank is 102, which is at the second largest compared to the Chainlink. Chainlink is at top 10. It is at the top 100, which means the last project in terms of the top 100, you can see. So band is also very much important, and the supply is pretty much low. You can see the total supply, maximum supply is just 100 million, and we are having just 22 million of circulating supply. So having a low supply and price at this range, I'm expecting it will perform very well during this particular bull market, and most of the oracles will perform very well during this particular bull market, because we have seen this oracle season during August. So people have this in mind. So that oracle, they saw that oracle has been performing in recent times. This will make people's mind for this particular bull run. They will be investing more in terms of oracle projects. So any oracle projects that, not any, most of the oracle projects will perform very well, and it is listed in Coinbase also, Binance also. So very much important project, and the same thing they are doing, providing real world data into the blockchain. The only one difference is it is on Cosmos blockchain. So it is interoperable, you can see, but it is built on Cosmos. That's a major thing. And the next project we are going to see is we have saw a band. The next project we are going to see is API 3. So API 3 is a very much important project, and it is quite little bit different in terms of providing data. So usually most of the projects will be a third party, oracles are third party, like Chainlinks and Band are third party, but API 3 is a little bit different. We can discuss that one. And in terms of supply, we have the same supply as Band protocol having the supply of 100 million maximum supply. API 3 is also having a maximum supply of 100 million, and the circulating supply 20 million, and Band protocol is 22 million. So it is also, and the rank is 186. It is also very much important project. This also can perform very well in the coming bull run and in 2021. So the price all-time high is $3.27, and now it is moving sideways. So it's a nice consolidation for this particular project. And the main difference is, you can see over here, it's a decentralized API for Web3, and the main thing is here we have this is one. So data provider operated, which is first party oracles instead of third party middleman. So that's a major thing. In terms of Chainlink, they are third party, so the data will be go to Chainlink. From there, it will be given to this blockchains. But here it is a first party oracle instead of third party middleman. There is no middleman, so the data provider will be giving the data directly into the blockchains through this particular API 3, and it is connects smart contracts to real world data. So, and it is also cross platform supported, Cardano, EOS, and other things. So that's a major thing. And if you want to know much deeper into this particular project, I have already created one video in terms of for API 3. I can attach that particular video link in the description. You can have a look on this project that is about API 3. I have discussed a lot and deeper in that video. And it had lots of partnership also. You can see Emergo, Cardano. So lots of things are there. So it is also one of the important project which is having a limited supply. You can see 20 million. And at this price, I'm expecting it will be coming under. I'm expecting Band will come around top 50, and this will be coming around top 100. That's a major thing. And another project which is very much important is DIA. So DIA is also one of the important projects in terms of providing oracles. In terms of oracles, and you can see the same in terms of supply also. But supply is you can see the maximum supply is 200 million, which is 100 million higher than Band and API 3. But we have the circulating supply of 25 million. So circulating supply is more nearer to Band and API 3, and at this price it's low, guys. It's, I think the price is too low, and in terms of market cap, it can also come near to top 100 list. So that's a major thing. DIA is also a very much smaller project. The rank is 236. So it is a smaller project. It can also perform very well in the coming bull run, and the all-time high is $5. Still it is minus 75.7% down from all-time high, guys. So $5, and we are now at $1.25, which is minus 75.7%. And I'm very much bullish on DIA. So that's a major thing. It's listed on Binance also, and it's a very much important project. the same thing they are doing, providing datas, but these oracles will perform very well because most of the oracles performed very well during the oracle season that has happened in August. So the people will have the tendency to invest in oracle project since they have see as much gain during this August of 2020. So that's a major thing. So these are the important oracles we have covered, and we are going to see another two oracles. Another one is ZAP protocol. ZAP. So this is also one of the oracles, and it performed already well. And you can see over here from May 2020, that is $0.003. It went to an not all-time high. It went to an high during that particular time. You can see that high was around. That high was around 0.248, from 0.002 to 0.248, which is 100x, guys, which is 100x. 0.22, it is from 0.002, 100x. ZAP made 100x. So this can also perform very well. And also the supply is 240. Now the circulating supply is 240 million. So pretty much low compared to Chainlink, but higher than comparing all the other band API 3 and DR. It is a little bit higher, but still it can perform very well. You can see it's already made 100x during this particular altcoin, that is Oracle season in the August, and now it is now it had a dump, and now it is moving sideways. So that's a major thing. It is also one of the important projects in terms of providing oracles. And the last project we are going to see is DOS. So it is ranked number 273. So it will be coming below 200, we can expect. In terms of DOS, it is one of the important oracles, and the main difference is it is from China. So this is one of the important parameter we have to look into. So it is from China, and this is one of the important projects. It also performed very well during this particular oracle season. See, it went from 0.001 to made an all-time high of 0.3, 0.4, around 0.4. You can see 0.001. It made more than 100x, guys. It made more than 100x. That's a major thing. So we can expect this will perform very well during the upcoming bull run, and this is very much important. The rank is 447, quite low market cap coin. You can say it's a more low market cap coin. It's more, the rank is 447. So it can also perform very well in the upcoming upcoming bull run, and the maximum supply is 1 billion, and we have the current circulating supply is 132 million. So it's 1 billion now. The circulating supply is 132 million. So it can also perform very well, and they are also introducing the burning process also. So that's all, and we have covered most of the important projects in Oracle niche, and I'm ranking in basis. We have Chainlink at first, which is the large cap alt, and second medium cap is Band Protocol. Third, we can say a low cap, which is API 3. Fourth is also somewhat low cap. We can see its rank is 236 DR. We have fifth ZAP 273, and this is much, I can say, micro cap, which is ranking around 447. So DOS network. So these are the things. These are the important Oracle projects which can perform very well during the coming bull run, and that's a major thing. And altcoin season is about to start, so it's now the better time to accumulate all these alts. And that's all for this video. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. I will see you guys in another video of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.